Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Weston Champlin channel analytics. Weston Champlin has uploaded 125 videos. He now has 1.21 million subscribers with a total view of 97,800,374 views. He's from US. And his channel type is Autos. He created his channel since March 17, 2010. The grade he got is B. And his Social Blade ranking is at 52,329th, the subscriber ranking is 20,392nd, and then video view rank is 59,469th. He ranked at 4,941st in US and 156th in Autos. Next, the daily subs for Weston Champlin is around 2.66k with a daily view of 201,154. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 200,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $800. Then, monthly income will be $24,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $13,200 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $158,400. That is how much Weston Champlin earns from YouTube.